Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, my fans. Let me hope that you're woken up nicely. It is a nice morning indeed that God has allowed us to see. So we thank the Almighty God for everything that He has granted unto us. Today it is a resting day, so we are chilling at our matrimonial bed. We are waiting for the time so that we can get prepared to go to church. Today it is a worshiping day. For us it is a Sabbath day. Let me hope that too you are going to fellowship with me so that we can worship our Creator together here with my son. He's saying hello. Hello, hello. Say hi. Say hi to my fans. Hello. Say hey. So guys, we love you so much. Thank you for the support that you are really giving us. If you are newer to this channel, get to tap that subscription site so that we can join my audience. By doing so, I gonna appreciate, and I wish you by that to have a good day with full of blessings. I really love you so much. My son and I, we love you so much. You can see how he is so happy because God has given him a free gift of life. So he has every kind of opportunity to thank the Almighty God. So nawashukuruni sana kwa upendo wenu, kwa ushirikiano wenu. Unity matters a lot. So let us move as a family, make a step as a family, so that we can do something great, something nice that will bring something on the table. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye for now. We wish you a very peaceful day, blessed day, with full of blessings. Bye bye for now.